G'day, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Kara, and today we're going to show you how to upgrade second-hand items to save some extra cash for those big life moments.
If you have kids or you're planning for kids, you'll know that the one constant is change.
We're a quickly growing family ourselves, so the kids' space is a big priority when it comes to interior decorating. Buying second-hand is a great way to create a unique look that can't be easily replicated.
So today we're going to show you just how easy it is to renovate a desk for the kids. There's actually 200,000 furniture listings on Gumtree.
So there's plenty of pieces looking for a new home.
Once you've sourced a second-hand desk, we picked this one up for $20. Use a cloth to clean the table surface and a scraper to give you a smooth finish. Now my safety mask goes on before I sand the table all over.
Time to apply the paint. We're using an exterior paint that has a primer, and we're going for a rustic effect, so one coat will do. This colour works perfectly with our coastal palette.
While Kara's painting, I've decided to take the desk to a whole new level by designing a paper holder. Measure and cut the timber. Drill a hole for the dowel and then assemble the frame for the drawing paper. The paint looks pretty dry to me. Now it's time to mount the paper holder. A couple of screws and we can take it upstairs.
And that's it. We've saved a bunch of cash and made a unique piece for the kids. Try it yourself.
And the best part is, once these guys have outgrown it, we can sell it to a growing family.